Another banger. We killed CPI today, guys. We killed CPI. This analysis, I drop it in the group chat. So I'm going to be walking you through the entire setup, what I saw that gave me that confidence to more like sell this market. And you can see it's more like a sniper entry and a sniper exit. All right. So this same setup, let me go to the, I think it's majorly done on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, 15-minute time frame. You can see. But initially, this is the zone that I wanted to sell from. Let me mark it on red. That was the zone that I wanted to sell from. And I saw this zone, but I was not more like interested on that zone because it is closer to my liquidity. And you know the way gold moves, it moves aggressively. And originally, I was targeting this zone. But this zone you are seeing in particular, let me highlight it. It looks unrealistic level to me. So instead, I deleted it and I target this region. You can see how perfectly the market sniped it and started reversing up. So you start saying, oh, this one is not the way I planned it. This one is this one is that. Let me show you the setup that I dropped with the community on Telegram. And even dropped this setup on WhatsApp, but it was more like a video demonstrating what I'm looking out for. So let me see. You can see the community we vibe, we drop setup. This guy is, I think it has hit TP on his trade. This one is crypto traders. And again, just so you know, this strategy works on crypto, it works on indices, it works on currency pair, right? So this is the before. I told them anytime they want to drop a setup on the group, they should make sure they drop their before and after. This is the before. And this is the after. Banging. The guy banged it. So this one again, before. And you can see we are really killing it. They are really learning. All right, this is crypto. No, this is currency pair. Euro CHF. Before, banger. After. Don't play. We don't joke here. This one is before. I told them to always drop their before and after. This is before and banger. Don't play. And again, this one is before. We don't joke here on the group, bro. We don't joke. Come on. If you want to learn, you have to join the right community. Before, after, banger. All right, let's keep going. I'm looking for my own setup. This was mine. You can see this is the. Oh, let me show you. This is it, yeah. This is the setup that I was looking out for. All right, you can see, just like I said, I told you guys originally I was looking at this entire zone. This entire zone as my setup. This other one was not there. All right, so you can see this is the same setup here. I told them this is what I'm looking out for. All right, okay, I did not include any write-up. I just dropped it. I think did I post any voice note? Okay, I just dropped it. It was on my WhatsApp that I posted a voice note. You can see this was the setup XAUUSD. And after that, the markets tap in our zone, started moving in our direction. I told them that now I am on break even. Then I didn't know that the video that I posted, which is about this same analysis, I told you guys that I dropped this analysis on my WhatsApp. I did not know that the setup that I posted, someone gained interest in it and took the setup. And you see, boss respect. I lawyer AJ, because of you, I have made a profit in trading that I have never made in my life as a trader. God bless you for this post on XAUUSD. XAUUSD. I lawyer, my boss, meeting you. You can see I dropped this, and this was on WhatsApp. I dropped this. The guy tagged me and was like, "Bro, I made profit from this same analysis you posted, bro." Don't play. All right, so that's it. And this is where we finally hit full take profit. This is the before, and this is the after. Banger. All right, so enough of this chats. So what did I, and again, please, all right, if you are new to this family, this is my channel. This is where I teach you guys how to trade the forex market. My job is to make forex trading easier for you. That's all right. This is my channel, JB Forex. Don't be a victim of scam. This is my username, JB Forex. There is no number, there is no underscore, just JB Forex. And this is my channel. We are running close to like 10K subscribers. And once we hit 10K, I promise you guys that I'm going to be doing a giveaway live on this same channel. Giveaway, I don't know how much, depending on how the spirit lead. It could be 50K, could be 100, could be 150, could be 250, could be 300, could be 500, depending on how the spirit leads. All right. And please, all right, we started this channel from 0 subscribers, and now we are up to 9.5K, so 9.50K subscribers, remaining 500 to hit that 10K, and I can go live and do the giveaway to you guys. If you are not a subscriber on this channel, I probably don't know what you are still doing. Hit that subscribe button, because my job here is to give you the massive value, give you the best quality content, and make sure I try my possible best to make forex trading easier. Just so you know, if you are new to this channel, you can go to my previous videos. You can see I have a lot of videos that is going to help you. Trust me now. I don't drop. Everybody in this channel, they know that when I vibe, it's a banger. A BB, oh nana. You understand? See, when I vibe, it's a banger. You cannot see my video and pass it now. You did not settle down and say this video is for JB Forex. Make I pass on. No, nah. No, your conscience will judge you. So subscribe, or probably you can go to the playlist, and under the playlist you go to the live stream. I like going live on YouTube to give you guys free content. All this content or all these teachings that I'm giving you guys are premium content that I paid for. All right, I paid money to learn them. And our live stream, we used to do 2 hours live stream, 1 hour live stream, 1.5, depending between 1 hour to 2 hours live stream teaching. All right, so you can see that we have a lot of live stream. You can just check it out. So the goal here is just, I want you to hit that sub button now. Also like this video, because once you like this video, it tells the YouTube algorithm that JB video is not ordinary video now. That guy video now banger. You understand? You know the vibe now. We know the G, we know the door. We don't door. Even in the group, it just be like saying, "Your boys now full year." People where they bomb. The all those guys know they sleep. 2-4, they're analyzing the market. Sometimes they try calm them down. 2-4, morning, afternoon, night. Even when I did sleep, all those guys they analyze the trade. I was like, bro, you guys should calm down. You understand? So this community is community filled with active traders. We are running close to 1,225 members, and currently we have 215 active people who are vibing on the group. You can connect, you can vibe, you can reach out depending on you are following the community guidelines. So what I saw is on the 1 hour time frame, what trend is this on the 1 hour time frame? What trend is this? You don't need microscope now. Any trend that is stressing your eye, you don't need microscope to tell you that XAUUSD is massively bearish. Like, see, if you are looking for buying opportunity in this market, you are doing yourself like damage to your account. You are doing yourself damage to your account. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, fine, but let me be realistic with you guys. This was the break of structure, and I was really looking out to sell the market. Then I tell myself, do you know how many pips it's going to take the market to buy from where the current market is all the way to your supply level? This is, I don't even know how to calculate good pips, to be realistic with you, but I know it's a lot of pips. On the 1 hour time frame, it's a lot of pips. So I said, okay, since this is the break of structure and we have small one here, so I should just focus on this small break of structure. So I mark the supply zone that caused it on the 15 minutes. So normally I was not be able to analyze this whole entire region on the 1 hour time frame. So I went straight to the 15-minute time frame. So this is what we have on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, when I saw this on the 15 minutes time frame, after marking my break of structure, I went straight to DXY to see what DXY was currently doing. Now you can see DXY was massively bullish on the 1 hour time frame. See, you don't need microscope now. Massively bullish. Any market that is stressing your eye, my guy, pack your slippers and go. Run from that market. So when I saw this, that DXY was massively bullish, I scaled down to the 15 minutes time frame to see what exactly was happening. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this is what I saw. I saw that this region here, this region was looking like a break of structure to me. And at the same time, I was not comfortable with that break of structure. And again, I saw this market structure shift, some kind of a market structure shift. That market is pointing down. So I said, okay, fine. before, if this is a valid market structure shift, all right, because sometimes you can have a valid market structure shift and the next minute you have a break of structure to the opposite side, just the way you are seeing here. So I mark this zone as my 15-minute supply zone that I wanted the market to retrace back to before selling. Now, according to the news was supposed to come out positive, depending on the forecast and actual, the previous and forecast. Then if the news comes out positive, which means that DXY is going to buy while other currency is going to sell. And if DXY comes out negative, is going to sell while other currency is going to buy. So I was looking for DXY to like retrace, at least up. Once the news comes out maybe negative, it's going to sell down. But as you can see, the news comes out extremely positive. Then it break past my zone. Because of this, it makes the gold to sell massively, and other currency like GBP, any pair that is attached to GB, any pair that is attached to USD is going to be selling massively. Because since, let me be honest with you, since Donald Trump gained what's it called, Donald Trump gained won the presidential election, see, USD currency started moving aggressively. So this is it, and this was it. This was the news here. Boom, the news spiked up. So now, when I saw this, I was originally waiting for the market to react around this region. But I noticed when the news came out, the market spiked up, touched this level, which is in between order block, and started rejecting. And I was like, if this zone rejected, let me delete this thing. If this zone rejected price here the first time, rejected price the second time, and when the price, a whole CPI that we all know CPI is aggressively strong, and it's a news that affect the market positively or negatively with an high speed of volatility in the market. This zone was able to hold this CPI news around this region. I was like, bro, I think this is the right zone. Market is not going to come to this upper zone. But normally I was like skeptical. So I scaled down to the 5 minutes time frame to see. But initially after I don't trade during the news. So after this spike, I did not, catch the move. I was waiting for the market to close this region. Then I'll start looking for opportunity to sell. Then after that, I noticed that the market started pushing up again. The third time, the fourth, is it fourth time? First, second, third. The fourth time the market starts, touching it, the fourth time, I started noticing rejection. Then I went in, boom. I placed my stop loss above the zone in case market want to do some kind of liquidity. You understand how gold moves now. Then I was targeting here as my first take profit. Then I was targeting this down zone, this entire region here, as my second take profit. This entire region, I left out this entire region. I left out with around 609 cents because I was risking $100 on this entire trade. So I left out with, is it 609 or 660 something dollars? Because I know 1:6. Is it one? Yes, 1:6. I was targeting 1:6. But initially this was the region that I was targeting, and 1:4. Then I noticed market was giving me more than I anticipated on. So I trade my stop loss and market gave me more profit. So this is how I was able to catch CPI trade news with the community on Telegram, and also those that was interested in taking the trade. Let me show you guys. Let me go to the media section, and this is it. This was the before, and after that, this is how the whole trade later played out. All right, so everything here we do live, we do here on this channel is to just give you some breakdown on how the trade I'm taking. If I hit stop loss, normally sorry about that. If I hit stop loss, normally I do come to the channel and tell you guys, this is why I hit stop loss, this is why I hit take profit. And today was a good and perfect trade. Alhamdulillah for today. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah for today trade. Guess what? I'm done for today. I also have some setup on what's it called? indices. With this on volatility 75, I have one on volatility 100, but I don't think that I'll be trading all these pairs because they are not close to my point of interest. So I just mark them out and see how the trade are playing out. The one that will come to my demand and supply zone is the one that I will be trading. So all the indices analysis that I did, no one is giving me the confirmation to enter the trade. So that is why I'm telling you that this will just be my first and only trade for today. Guess what? Profit is profit. You don't have to be forcing the market, taking trade, now and then. You need to be disciplined. All right. So that is all. And if again, we have our academy open for registration. If you want to become, part of the community, you want to learn from scratch, whether you are a beginner, you are an intermediate trader, or you are an advanced who doesn't have a working strategy, you want a strategy that works on all market. Guess what? My strategy is, roughly around 80% win rate, and this strategy works on currency, which is, your normal XAUUSD, GBP USD, Euro USD, and it also works on crypto like BTC, Ethereum, and so on. It works on futures, it works on stock, and most especially my favorite, it works on derivative indices. We don't play. These are results from people who have been using the strategies to bank money in the industry. All right. So guess what? And this is a complete beginner to advanced trading course. All right. We don't have a physical, mentorship yet. So I'm not even planning on opening one now. But once I do, I'll still let you guys know. But what we have now, it's an online mentorship, and you can also go through to the course content, what you'll be learning, discipline, guidance, how to become a disciplined trader, psychologist, risk management, every single thing. Trust me, once you go through this entire course with clear mind, with willingness to learn, I guarantee you, you will be successful. All right. Successful doesn't mean you are going to hit that big bang, start driving Lambo. No, at least anytime you come to the market, you must make profit. I can guarantee you that you must make profit. So if you are interested and you want to join the community, the link will be in the description of this video. The link will be in the description of this video. And again, if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, the link will be on the description of this video. If you want to get my trading guide, the link, everything concerning what you want to get, the link will be in the description of this video. That will be all for this video. Please don't forget to hit your boy sub, like, follow for more tips.